Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-04004 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#scott. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute all the SQL queries. Okay. So now what I am going to do, I am going to create one sequence. So I am going to create one sequence with min value and max value. Okay, so let me execute it. Okay, you can see that ORA-04004 min value must be less than max value. So what is the problem in SQL query is, see here, min value is greater than max value. Max value I mentioned as -5, which is invalid. Okay, so I am correcting the SQL query. So max value should be greater than, always greater than min value in sequence. Okay. So now let me execute the statement. Yeah, sequence is created. So this is the fix for ORA-04004. Min value must be less than max value.